I want to thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to take a look at a 2001 Porsche Carrera 4. This is one of the early Porsches when it came to water cooled, and this one is a C4. C4 designates that it's got power to all four wheels. So when you're in a low traction situation, got a lot more going for you. We'll take a look at this. It's a nice shape. It's got the spoiler in the back, of course, that is can be adjusted up and down from the driver's seat. And when you hit a certain speed, it automatically goes up and comes down again. We'll take a look around here. You can hear some of the tree frogs in the background here. It's that time of year in western North Carolina. Car also has a sunroof. You can see that up here. All right, let's get inside and turn the key. All right, I don't need the radio on right now.